Florida road tripping. On my channel, I'll be sharing places I travel and visit in Florida and beyond. Hello everyone. In this video, I will share with you an event in Orlando, Florida called the Black Wall Street. This is a celebration of Juneteenth. Juneteenth marks the day when federal troops arrived in Galveston, Texas in 1865 to take control of the state and ensure that all enslaved people be freed. The troops' arrival came a full 2.5 years after the signing of the Emancipation Proclamation. Juneteenth honors the end of slavery in the United States and is considered the longest-running African-American holiday. On June 17, 2021, it officially became a federal holiday. Okay, before we start this show, I'd like to thank my wonderful dad for driving 2.5 hours to have lunch with me after knowing that I've been recording videos for most of the day in Orlando and Ocala. Okay, and now it's time for the show to begin. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Hello. Fine, thank you.
Yes. Yeah, I got around.
Hello.
Yeah, it's on the group.
All the way back and open it up.
Hello.
Yeah, I would
Excuse
use
me.
all of their space.
Thank you so much.
Hello.
How's it going?
Fine, thank you.
Good, good.
Coming to see what I think I've been to his stand before.
Still has all the taste.
Yeah, I did. I bought a bracelet for him from him before. Yeah, this bracelet. I'll never take it off. That's why it's changed colors.
Yes.
Yeah, nice.
He's got a lot of new stuff in here. You see,
Okay.
he's got this going on right now.
And black tea. No
Okay.
artificial sweeteners.
Yeah.
No artificial
Yeah, he's got
flavors.
these key
No
door openers, and then he's got the medium. This is the one that charges your jewels
Oh, really?
and your
Okay.
stones.
Okay.
You lay them on top of here and then it re-energizes them.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
And then he's got his whole case of stuff over here.
Yeah, I actually put him on my YouTube page.
You want to?
Yeah, I did.
You did?
Yeah, he was at the African Taste of Africa.
Okay.
Yeah, that's where it was.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
Was that in Tampa?
No, right here in Orlando.
Right here in Orlando. Okay, I
It
don't
was
think
like
I made that one.
a month or two ago.
Yeah, I didn't make
Yeah,
that.
yeah. Yeah, but I appreciate it. It's nice stuff.
It's nice. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too.
Hello. I'm doing fine, thank you.
Would you like to smell some candles?
Sure.
Huh?
Sure.
Yeah, okay. Just go ahead and take a whiff, I guess.
You said these are candles?
Yeah, so these are actually orange candles. Okay, ready now.
Oh, okay.
And then,
I like the milk's better than the candles.
yeah, okay. So we do have the deal going on right now.
Okay. Are you
There's
down?
certain scents that you like, certain fragrance, woody, masculine, clean, fruity.
Kind of fruity. I like the fruity.
Give you the favorite of the fans right there.
Ooh.
That has blackberry and saffron,
Ooh, that's nice.
sweet,
Nice.
savory.
Do you have in the milk?
I do have them in melts as well.
Okay, I'll take one.
Did you
I
want the
like
deal
that.
3 for 18?
I'll just do one today.
Just the one?
Yeah, because I always chop them up in little tiny
Hey, it's okay. I understand. I tell people all the time when you get them, just take off one little cube. People
Yeah.
be trying to put all. I'm like,
Because it's so
called
strong.
preserve.
Yeah.
Preserve that money. Preserve. No problem. It'll just be simple.
Okay.
Why you drop off in like this?
Hello, how are you?
I'm good.
What you got?
I'm selling cake cards, and I'm Amia, by the way. I also keep baby delight, beautiful baby, it's me, and I have red velvet, strawberry shortcake, banana pudding, strawberry cheesecake, and peach
Oh,
cobbler.
nice. Those are candles?
No, your cake,
Oh, it's actually cake?
Yes.
Oh, wow. How much are they?
$6.
Okay. What you got? You say strawberry shortcake?
Strawberry shortcake,
Let me take one of your cards, too.
and my top seller is red velvet as well.
I think I'm going to try strawberry shortcake today.
Okay. Naya, come on.
out by that table right there now. We got
Which
some good
one?
smell goods. So you
Which
like
one?
the look
This
good
one?
smell? Yes, ma'am, right there. We got some parties they give us over there.
All right, thank you. Hello.
I had to detox some of that stuff because you know what for
Hello, how you doing?
Majority.
Okay, we've come to the end of another video. I do hope that you did enjoy. I did want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos. Those that subscribed, they liked, they shared, and they continue to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. The channel is truly growing, and I do thank each and every one of you so very much. Please continue to watch my videos. I'll try to do my best to provide good content for each and every one of you. So until next time, stay tuned to my channel to see where I'll go next. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.